Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to put TikTok Shop on vacation mode. So if you want to go traveling, go on holidays, or if you have other commitments and you think you won't be able to fulfill orders, manage customer inquiries, or restock products, then you may need to set your shop on vacation mode to ensure customers don't place orders expecting immediate fulfillment. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it. First, go to your TikTok Shop seller account. Then go to My Account section. In some cases, you can find it on the top right corner. But if you don't find it here, that means it's on the left panel like this. Just expand it and go to Account Settings. And here, you will be able to see the vacation mode option. Just click on it. You just need to toggle this on to set your shop to vacation mode. And when you're ready to process orders again, you just have to toggle this off to turn off vacation mode. And that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.